This is to demonstrate how to create an by hour nutrition plan for a race event. You can create race event on the event page. But since I've already created one, I wanted to quickly demonstrate how I can do the nutrition plan. If you're first time in the nutrition plan, this one you see this because I've already created for this event. If you're first time here, you will see the program of the event. It was treated as a break workout because you're going to stack, swim, bike, and run. You have to program your speed because how long the race will last for you will pretty much affect your nutrition plan. So that's important. I've already programmed mine. The only thing I'm going to change over here is I'm going to change the the pre-activity fueling window to be a little bit early. I usually like to wake up 3 hours before my event. And once I have all this set up, I just say create plan, and then the next step is going to try to calculate my nutrition target. And then the next step is going to be from the nutrition target to real food recommendation. Now, this is something we're still trying to optimize. We've already done a lot of work, say it really is not before the break, but it's before the race. We already done a lot of work with somebody local who has a PhD in nutrition science and really to dive in this part very well. However, during the bike and during the run part, I know that we still have some work to do. For here, for example, during bike, I know this target is on the low end. If you click on the question mark, it will tell you why it was recommending that much. The band was a little bit too large. We are working on that issue right now. But you can still, because I know that my target here is 354 gram, and I know that I want to bump this number up a little bit. And I'm not happy having energy chew 7 packets of it. So I'm going to delete this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add my own programmed food. And I know that I'm going to have some the stroop waffle. I think it's here, yes. So I'm going to have 4 of this. And I'm going to have cis gel. And I'm going to have 4 of this as well. Okay, it's looking better with my nutrition target. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I also have a Gatorade. I'm going to have, say, 4 bottles of them. Now my target looks a lot better, right? So I can also add it to have more Gatorade. How about we do 6 bottles. Okay, so now my target is a lot better. And I'm going to reduce the amount of water. We would like to, and after a few more iteration, we would like this to be able to hit your target with your favorite food as close as possible. We are still in the process of figuring out how we can tune the algorithm to make this work. But for now, what it will do is it will respond to the way that you program it. But the main purpose for this video is really to show you how to program this into your by hour mode. So if you hit on by hour mode, now you can assign, we got inspiration from Coach Claudia in Tampa, Florida, and she liked to keep an Excel sheet for her athletes and say, hey, I want you to have, let's say, the first gel at 15 minutes into the race. And then on the second hour, I want you to have that as well, like at the 15 minutes of that hour. So you can see that you can go tap and assign the different products at different hour. And if I do that more, let's add this to be 1, and then I can add some Gatorade. So you can see now for hour 1, I'm hitting 74 grams of carbs, and that's going to be good for my target. Probably will be good for your athlete. You probably want to push it a bit higher, but this is just to demonstrate how you can do that. That it has a summary but it also have a by hour mode. We would really appreciate your feedback on this, and yeah, have fun playing with it, but do let us know if you have spotted bugs.